Hi, my dear art journal enthusiasts. Remember to protect the background with gesso. I freely spill alcohol inks in blue and phthalo tones. This is my favorite part of the job. You can also end at this stage. Because sometimes beautiful images are created immediately without the interference of a brush. Sometimes I help myself with a hairdryer to direct the spillage of ink. My dog, he doesn't like the sound of that. Folding the sheets helps get unexpected patterns. The crayons provoked me to use them and color a few places. I prepared paint to use along with the stencil in the next layer of the background. I use a cosmetic sponge for this so that it does not flood the stencil. I stamp the flower and then fill them with acrylic paint. Keep in mind that it took me several hours to do this work, and the video is played at an accelerated pace. I highlighted the earlier elements with an acrylic pen. Have fun painting this little chamomile flowers. Each newly opened box pleases immensely. I carefully cut out a butterfly from a piece of paper. I wonder and try on where to glue my butterflies. I still use a black thin pen to highlight shadows and details. For pleasure, I underline a few more details with white gel pen. I complete my background with ink. I darken it a little around the butterflies. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you create an even better art journal site than I did, which I wish you very much, Agnes.